A billionaire's bet against another billionaire. It's the ultimate clash of the titans. In one corner, you have Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, a man who has shaped the digital age. In the other, Elon Musk, the mastermind behind Tesla, SpaceX, and a revolution in electric cars. But what if I told you that Bill Gates has been betting against Tesla's success? That's right. Gates is reportedly shorting Tesla, banking on its downfall. But is this a masterstroke of financial genius, or a move rooted in deep-seated rivalry? Today, we dive deep into this high-stakes game between two of the world's richest men and what it means for the future of the global economy. Let's break it down. Part 1. The War of Titans. Bill Gates and Elon Musk couldn't be more different. Gates, a software visionary, built his empire by revolutionizing how we use computers. Musk, on the other hand, is pushing the limits of technology, aiming for nothing less than the colonization of Mars. But despite their seemingly separate worlds, their paths have crossed in a very dramatic way, thanks to one company, Tesla. Tesla, which has become the flag bearer of the electric vehicle revolution, was viewed by many as an outlier, an ambitious project with little chance of success. But now, Tesla is not only changing the automotive industry, it's dominating Wall Street. But Gates, he's not buying it. According to various reports, Bill Gates has been betting against Tesla. In other words, he's been shorting the stock. This means that while Musk's empire skyrockets, Gates is essentially gambling on its collapse. But why? What drives such a decision from a man who made his fortune with tech innovation? Part 2. The Tesla gamble. The short position is a big deal in the finance world. Gates, who made his billions building Microsoft into the dominant player in software, has long held an aversion to Tesla's valuation. From Gates' perspective, Tesla's stock price has become inflated, propelled by Musk's magnetic persona, not fundamental growth. It's a move that makes sense when you consider Gates' meticulous, almost conservative approach to investing. He prefers to put his money into companies with proven track records, like Berkshire Hathaway or even his own foundation's investments in energy innovation. Tesla, on the other hand, has been a roller coaster ride. From production delays to criticism over Musk's social media outbursts, it's no surprise that some investors would consider betting against the company. But is this really a good bet, or is Gates simply betting against innovation? Part 3. Musk's reaction. Tesla's dominance and battle for the future. Elon Musk's approach to business couldn't be more different. Known for his daring, all-in strategies, Musk has taken Tesla from a niche electric car company to a global force, challenging industry giants like Ford and General Motors. And it's not just the cars. Tesla is also innovating in solar energy, AI, and autonomous driving. Musk is truly shaping the future. So, what does this battle mean for Tesla's future? Is Musk's relentless push for innovation enough to weather these attacks from financial titans like Gates? And what about the impact of Elon Musk's personality? Love him or hate him, Musk is a master at creating market-moving moments with a single tweet or a high-profile stunt. For Gates, on the other hand, he's remained the more reserved, methodical investor. But let's be clear, Musk has made plenty of bold moves. Look at his investment in SpaceX, or his recent push to increase Tesla's battery output. Musk isn't afraid to challenge the status quo, while Gates prefers to stay behind the scenes, making calculated investments that align with his long-term vision of sustainability and philanthropy. Part 4. The short bet. Risk or genius? But the real question is, does Gates have the foresight to back up his short bet? Could Tesla's rapid rise be the precursor to a sudden crash? There's no doubt Tesla has been volatile. It's part of the reason why Gates has taken a step back and said, "No, this is too risky. I'm betting against it." Yet, for every dip in Tesla's stock, there's been a new high. The company has delivered record profits, and its electric vehicles have set industry standards. So, is Gates misreading the situation? To short bet, while risky, is a classic financial strategy. Shorting stocks can be incredibly lucrative if the company doesn't live up to its expectations. Gates has taken his shots at other tech companies in the past, so this isn't new for him. But it's the scale of the bet against Tesla that raises eyebrows. In the next few minutes, we'll explore whether Gates has the right formula for taking down Musk's empire. Part 5. A clash of values, innovation versus stability. At its core, the Gates versus Musk rivalry isn't just about stock prices, It's about their conflicting philosophies on innovation and stability. Musk represents the entrepreneurial dream of taking huge risks, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and creating something that changes the world. Gates, on the other hand, has always been about incremental progress, stability, and sustainability. These two views have shaped their careers, and now they're clashing in the world's most public way. Musk's vision of the future might be bold, but it's not always clear. We see some investors view it as overconfidence, while others see it as genius. Gates, the methodical investor, could simply be exercising caution. But where does that leave us as consumers, as investors, and as people who depend on the success of companies like Tesla? Part 6. The impact on Wall Street. The war between these two tech moguls has significant ramifications for the market. For Gates, shorting Tesla is a way of expressing skepticism about the future of electric cars and Musk's leadership. For Musk, Tesla is more than just a company. It's a symbol of what's possible when you push the boundaries of technology. For Wall Street, this battle is an ongoing storyline that's attracting billions of dollars in attention. What's clear is that, whether Gates succeeds or Musk continues his dominance, the market is in for a wild ride. So, what do you think? Is Bill Gates making a colossal mistake, or is he the financial genius who will bring down the mighty Tesla? And where does Elon Musk go from here, as the battle rages on? One thing's for sure, this is a story we'll be following closely. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of high-stakes business drama. Until next time, this is Profit Powerhouse, and we're just getting started.